Governor Hochul has vetoed a bill that would have allowed more people to file wrongful death claims.
News 10 ABC's Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine explains the concerns the governor had about the Grieving Families Act and how supporters of the bill are responding.
We're just shocked that the state would be so callous in this day and age.
Kevin Cushing lost his son Patrick in the Schoharie limo crash in 2018. He has been advocating for updates to New York's wrongful death statute by supporting the Grieving Families Act, which would have allowed families to claim non-economic damages such as emotional loss.
That they basically would tell us your child is only as good as his economic value, his paycheck, and where he went to school and his age or her age. I mean, it's just, I can't say it's criminal, but it's absolutely horrible.
The Grieving Families Act passed with bipartisan support at the end of last session. Advocates waited for months for it to be signed. However, it was vetoed just hours before the deadline.
The day before the legislation should have been signed, and when it wasn't signed, it was a gut punch. And we've got so many gut punches over the last couple of years.
As to why Governor Hochul vetoed the bill, she says in part, quote, "This bill passed without a serious evaluation of the impact of these massive changes on the economy, small businesses, individuals, and the state's complex healthcare system." Senator Hoylman Siegel says he respectfully disagrees that it would drive up costs.
Other states, 47, have similar statutes that allow families of loved ones who have been killed in a wrongful death situation to claim non-economic or emotional losses. And premiums have not been driven up in those states.
Lawmakers say they will continue to work to get the legislation passed. The governor also gave some proposals of her own.
She didn't say, let's not talk about it. So I think that we can certainly go from there.
I just know there's not one of us that doesn't grieve every single day of our lives. Some days are much worse than others, but not a day goes by that we're not reminded about not having our loved ones with us. That's never going to go away. And quite frankly, we're not going to go away until we get the law changed.
Reporting in Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.